Today we'll be making some jeera rice. Jeera rice is nothing but just regular flavored rice. For that I'm using my instant pot today to make that rice. We'll be using basmati rice to make it. First let me go ahead and start the instant pot. This is a 3-quart instant pot. Let me start it in the saute mode. To this let me add half a stick of butter. Let it melt. In the meantime, let's add 2 cups of basmati rice into this strainer, and I'll wash this right now. Now that the butter has melted, I'll go ahead and add some cumin seeds. Jeera is nothing but cumin, so I'm adding a generous portion of cumin seeds, some cardamom pods, and a bay leaf. So let's add the washed rice. This is 2 cups of rice. I'll go ahead and fry this for saute this for a minute. So the ratio, let's talk about the ratio of water. Usually when you add basmati rice, it is 1 cup of water for 1 cup of rice if you soak the rice. Today I did not soak the rice, so I'm adding a little bit more water. So I have 2 cups of rice here. For that I'm adding 3 cups of water. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and three cups of water. Mix this well. So if you're not sure about how much salt you want, you can check the salt at this point, and it should taste right when you taste this water. Let's put the lid on. Make sure it's sealed. So it's sealed. Now I'll go ahead and cancel the saute mode, turn on the pressure cook mode, and we will pressure cook this for 5 minutes. Turn off the keep warm. We will be releasing the pressure manually. The instant pot is done. Now I'll go ahead and release the pressure. Let's open it. Very perfectly cooked. And fluff it up. Perfectly cooked jeera rice is ready. You can have this with any curry you like. Transfer it to a serving bowl, and there you go. Delicious jeera rice, fluffy, is ready. Try this recipe and let me know if you like it. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. As always, happy cooking.